welcome back. So in this video we are going to be focusing on the forex trading sessions which you need to be aware of, and you need to have them on your fingertips if you want to make some profits in forex. So you must have heard that forex is 24 hours market. Even though that is true, but this doesn't imply that trading is happening the entire day. The best time to trade in forex is when there is movement in forex, and either the market is moving in upward direction or downward direction. But when there's no movement at all, the forex and the charts are still, there's very little profit to be made in those times. So here we are going to discuss about the different time zones and the 3 sessions which are very important for all the traders that are working in forex and in which most of the activity is happening. So there are basically 4 trading sessions. The first session is Sydney session, the second one is Tokyo session, then there's London session and New York session. So these are basically the 4 sessions that are available in forex, or forex operates in these 4 sessions, and these sessions start at different times in different countries. So these are based on the names of the cities. And for above 4 major trading sessions, there are historically 3 peak trading sessions. As long as you can focus on these 3 peak sessions, you are good to go. There's no need for you to trade 24 hours a day. And these 3 peak sessions are European, North American, and Asian trading session. As long as you're keeping yourself busy during these sessions, you are good to go. And these are alternatively also called as London session and New York session and Tokyo session. So following the international deadline, a new calendar day starts in New Zealand, and the forex market opens on Monday morning, at which time most of the world is enjoying their Sunday. And also the New Zealand session is also called as the Sydney session. You might be wondering, well, Sydney is in Australia, but New Zealand is a different continent. Well, yeah, we don't make the rules, but that's how it is designated in forex. So New Zealand session is also known as Sydney session. Moving on, we have the market hours and charts for forex. So basically there are 2 different charts here that we will be going through. The first one is spring or summer in US, that is from March April to October or November. And during this time or this season of the year, the markets open and close at these given times. You can also take a screenshot and save that in your gallery and go through that later so that you can remember it at your ease. And next we have the chart for our second time or the second season of the year, that is fall or winter in US. So during that comes from October to November till April or March. And during that time of the year, the market operates during these hours. So you can also take a screenshot of this and save it so that you can access it later and remember it. If you have any questions, please be sure to comment down below, and also you can visit our website forexb.co to learn more about trading and strategies. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and show your love and support. Thank you.